All right. Hi, everybody. It's Mr. P and Aoife. Hi, Aoife. With another recorder lesson number 2. Hopefully, you have watched recorder lesson number 1 and you've tried our challenge song about sheep. If you haven't, stop this video and go back and check out those first because you got to know the skills in the first part to jump on to the second part. I'm hypnotizing cats. Hey, there's another cat. Cool, bonus cat. Playing with my recorder. Hi, Fergus. All right. So give me just about 5 seconds, guys. I will share my screen with you. Let's see. I'll make myself a little bit bigger there. And start our slideshow. Cool. It is day 2 of Rockin' Recorders. All right, let's jump right in. So remember the Triforce, 3 parts, 3 sides, 3 rules whenever we use our instruments. Play when it's time, rest when it's time. Number 2, take care of our stuff. Hey, speaking of taking care of your recorder, if you want to give your recorder a little bath or with some soapy water to combat germs and stuff like that, that's cool. Otherwise, my cat is no. All right. Hi, Fergus. How's it going? Otherwise, it should be good to go. Unless you're, sharing your recorder with your little brother or sister, then I would definitely give it a wash. And number 3, don't just make sound, make music. You should be getting better at this right now, making sure you're not making that horrible squeaky sound. I know that wasn't very cool, was it? And making sure that you are making music. Hey, I got some tips for you today. Some other tips on how to become a recorder legend. First of all, take it easy, guys. Don't worry about it. When you started, when you were a baby, you didn't, you weren't running around the house right away. You had to learn to crawl first, then you learned how to walk, and then you learned how to run. So sometimes learning an instrument takes time, but don't worry, you're going to get there. Keep a little book. If you have been looking online, maybe you found some cool songs to play. Print those off, maybe make a little journal, maybe may have a little folder with some songs in it so you can collect all the things you like to play. And practice, practice, practice. This weird guy in the picture here, his name is Vladimir Horowitz. He's a pianist. He said the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is practice. My favorite saying about practice is the amateur, which is somebody who's just starting out. Amateur practices until he gets it right. Like, I'm playing my recorder. Oh, I got it right. I'm done. The professional practices until he can't get it wrong. So keep playing, keep playing, keep playing until you are awesome. And listen to some other talented musicians. After you're done here, jump onto YouTube. Type in recorder. I'm sure there's some people playing some cool recorder stuff, or guitar, or drums, or trumpet, or whatever instrument you're interested in. There's probably someone out there who would be awesome to watch. All right, we're going to do a little note review. Last time we learned this pitch. It is on the middle line of the staff, and that note is B. Your thumb is covering up the hole on the back. Your top finger is covering up the top hole on the front. You are making sure that your finger is covering up both holes so you don't have any air leaking out, because leaks cause squeaks. I know, that's not a fun noise, isn't it? And a B should sound like that. Would you play a B with me? Ready, go. If yours sounded exactly like mine, cool. If it didn't, check, make sure that you're covering up. Check, make sure that you're using the steamy window trick. Yes, don't just blow it like birthday candle air. A little bit of air goes a long way. One more time with a B. Ready, go. Awesome. All right, we got a little breath challenge for you today. How long can you go? We're going to blow into our recorder. Oh, it says ocarina. I think I copied this from the ocarina lesson. We're going to play this pattern 4 whole notes on pitch B. Remember to keep your airflow steady. If the pitch changes, the airflow is not nice and steady. Blow nice and steady. Level 1, we're going to take a breath between each whole note. By the way, how many beats does a whole note get? Whole note gets a whole lot of nachos. 4 beats. So we're going to blow 1, 2, 3, 4, breath, and so on. Here we go. On B, thumb on the back, finger on the front, no leaks. Breathe, and ready, go. Breathe, go. Breathe, go. Breathe, go. Cool. Level 2, we're going to take a breath after the second and the last whole note. So 4 plus 4 equals 8 last time I checked. So we're going to hold it for 8 beats and then take a breath. Nice deep breath, a big Groot breath like Mrs. Holson says. Thumb on the back, top finger on the front, no leaks. Breathe and ready, go. Breathe, go. Nice. Last challenge, level 3. Take a breath only after the last whole note. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is, or if you could use multiplication, 4 times 4 is 16 beats. Take a nice deep breath because we're going to hold it for 16 beats. Here we go. Breathe and ready, go. Did you make it? All right. Did you pass out? Oh, I'm sorry if you did. All right. Let's move on. So we kind of practiced this playing this last time, but let's do it again. Recorders down real quick. Clap me that rhythm right above my head. Ready, go. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Half rest. Play that rhythm above my head on B. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Pause a second. Are you going, or are you going two, two, two? Make sure you use that two, two, two. That's called tonguing because that sounds way better than, right? Here we go. That rhythm above my head. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Half rest. Nice. All right. The other note we reviewed was this one on the second space. That is A. And how do you play an A? Well, it's just like a B with 1 extra finger. Thumb on the back, 2 fingers on the front, twice as hard because there's twice as many fingers, twice as many holes to cover up, twice as many leaks, causing squeaks. Play me box blue, the blue box, 3 A's, 2 fingers on the front, thumb on the back. 1, 2, ready, go. Cool. Let's go back real quick. Make sure you're making a nice A sound. Would you play me a nice long A? Ready, go. If your pitch isn't exactly like mine, might be because some air is leaking out. Make sure those holes are covered up. All right. Blue box one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. How about red box, then blue box? 1, 2, ready, go. Blue box. Did you remember that B was 1 finger and A was 2 fingers? Nice. Let's keep going. Red box, yellow box, blue box with the rest in between. Here we go. Starting with B. 1, 2, ready, go. Yellow, blue, and let's add the green box. Red, yellow, blue, green with the rest in between. 1, 2, ready, red, yellow, blue, and green. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's learn something new. We got a new note today. Meow, 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 meow. It is on the second line of the staff. Remember, B was on the middle line. A was right below that. And below A is, well, in the alphabet, there's nothing that comes below A, right? It's A is first, and then it's B, and then it's C. But in music, below A is the letter G. There it is. So if you haven't figured it out already, B was one finger, A was two, G is three. Three times as hard because there's three fingers, three holes on the front to cause leaks and squeaks. So B sounds like this, A sounds like this, and G sounds like this. It is a lower pitch. B was up here, A was here, G was here. Kind of like B was up here on the staff, and then A was here, and then G was here. So G is really, really tricky for two reasons. Number one, because of all the fingers, and number two, your breath. You need about this much breath for B, about this much breath for A, and even less for G. Even more steamy window air. Play me a B. Ready, go. Play me an A. Go. Play me a G. Go. You're squeaking a little bit? Make sure those holes are covered up. Super tough. You're totally going to get it though. All right. Let's do it. Let's do some more boxes. They're going to be a little different this time. Play me the red box. Three G's. Three fingers. Thumb still on the back. Three G's. One, two, ready, go. Remember, even less air. Even less air. Red box, yellow box. G, G, G. A, A, A. Here we go. One, two, ready, play. Yellow. Cool. Let's add a third box. Red, yellow, and blue. We're still don't have any B's. We're just concentrating on G's and A's. G, A. Hey, I find it really handy to use my right hand. Just kind of hold the bottom. I'm making sure that the right hand isn't covering up any holes or anything, but it's just holding down at the bottom because switching from three fingers to two fingers, I'm holding that with one hand. That's really hard to do. So right hand keeping it steady. Red box, blue box, red, yellow box, blue box. Here we go. One, two, red box, go. Yellow, blue. Did you end back up on three fingers? Cool. Let's hit all four. Red, yellow, blue, green. I see a B at the very end. So that's our only B. All right, here we go. Starting with three fingers on G. One, two, red box, go. Yellow, blue, green. Did you end back up on green? One finger. Very nice. All right. Got one more challenge for you today. It says clap the rhythm twice, then play it on your recorder. So, recorder's down. Let's clap it. First of all, over on this side over here, we have what kind of notes? They look like quarter notes, but they're not filled in. They're half done. They're half filled in. Somebody forgot to fill them in. Poor little half notes. Half notes get two beats. So clap it and hold it down. Think two beats in your head. From the top, one, two, ready, go. Half note, cha, cha, cha. Rest. Half note, cha, cha, cha. Pretty easy. Why do I want you to do it twice? You'll find out. Here we go. One more time. Ready, clap. Half note, cha, cha, cha. And half note, half note, ta, ta, ta. Double bar line at the end means stop. All right, here we go. Let's play this pattern. So we're going to start on B. We're going to move to A. I don't see any G's here, but they're coming. Here we go. So half notes, you play it, you hold it down. Think 2 beats in your head, or 2 seconds, kind of. Here we go. Start on B. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest. Cool. Let's pretend that's a repeat sign at the end, and let's do that one more time. 1, 2 from the top. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. So here's why I wanted you to clap that rhythm twice, because the rhythm is going to stay the same, but the pitches have changed. So it's not B, B, A, B, B, A anymore. We got some G's over here, right? All right, so the first part's the same, but now we got some G's. Remember, B is 1, A is 2, G is 3. Here we go. From the top, ready, go. Rest. Of those G sounds. You remember 3 fingers? One more time. From the top, start with B. Ready, play. Rest. Nice. Rhythm stays the same. Pitches have changed. Be careful. B, A, G, G, G. And that's kind of a pattern. B, A, G, G, G. Let's do it. Start with B. 1 finger. 1, 2. Ready, play. Tricky. So your fingers are going 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2. Ready, go. Rest. Cool. Even harder. We're going to go forwards and backwards. B, A, G, 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 then backwards. G, A, B, B, B. Here we go. 1 finger to 2 to 3, 3 to 2 to 1. 1, 2, ready, play. Make sure you start and end on B. One last time. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest. Rest. Cool. All right, rockin' recorders, you are doing awesome. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are really feeling comfortable going from B to A to G, that is awesome. That G is really, really hard. So if you're getting that, super cool. And switching from one note to the other, that is very, very tricky. So if you feel like you got it, cool. If you want to go back to the beginning of this video and play it again, I think that's what I would do, because practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you're going to get. So if you're practicing along with me today, cool. If you're ready to rock on to the next part, I will have a challenge song for you with B and A and G sometime tomorrow. So hope to see you then. Thanks for playing with me, everybody.